In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add knurling in Fusion 360. We're going to create a clean parametric knurl directly on a cylindrical part using the coil tool, a mirror, and a circular pattern. Start with your cylinder ready in the design workspace. The key idea is to cut a helical groove with a triangular section, mirror it to get the opposing direction, and then pattern that pair all the way around. Begin by creating the first helical cut. Go to Create, choose Coil, and click the circular face at the end of your cylinder. In the coil dialog, set the section to triangle and make sure it's set to internal so the triangle points into the material. Set the operation to cut so you're removing material rather than adding it. Now tune the shape. Use pitch and revolutions to control how the cut wraps. A steeper angle across the surface gives you that classic knurl look, so increase the pitch and balance it with revolutions until the preview shows a long, slanted groove. Keep an eye on the triangle's orientation and the depth of the cut to avoid thinning the walls too much. When the preview looks right, click OK. Next, we'll create the opposing helix to form the X pattern. Use the mirror tool for features. Select the coil feature in the timeline as the object to mirror, then pick a center plane that bisects the cylinder, such as a plane through the axis. This flips the helical cut to the opposite direction, giving you two intersecting sets of grooves. Confirm the mirror and check that the cuts cross cleanly without overcutting. With both directions in place, repeat them around the body. Choose circular pattern and set the pattern type to features. Select both coil features. For the axis, pick the cylinder's central axis so the pattern rotates correctly around the part. Enter a quantity, for example 40, and leave the angle at 360 degrees to distribute them evenly. Adjust the quantity up or down to fine-tune the diamond spacing. Fewer instances produce larger diamonds. More instances make a tighter texture. Use the preview to verify that the grooves intersect neatly and that performance remains reasonable on your system. When everything looks good, click OK. You now have a fully parametric knurl. Edit the original coil's pitch or revolutions later to adjust the angle, and the mirrored and patterned features will update automatically. If your model gets heavy, you can temporarily lower graphics detail or suppress the pattern while making other edits. That's all there is to it. Clean, controllable knurling right inside Fusion 360.